Hello everybody out there in the land of make-believe. Wolf Wizard here. I'm out in the yard. It's too nice to be inside today. Out in the yard doing some gardening. Is it art? Yeah, kinda. I got this set up. I designed this here little setup so when I come out the door I can look and it's all pretty and all of the plants are green all year. I hate coming home and having a bunch of dead plants in my yard. So these pretty much stay green all year or disappear entirely. This one actually stayed green. Green through the winter. So it's March 1st and going into summer, and want to get the garden looking nice. I've been working on this for a while now and it's just starting to come together. What we're going to do today for Show and Tell Tuesday is I'm going to show you my planters. I got these two planters. I got this one I planted up last week, 2 weeks ago, something like that. Seems to be doing well. So I've got this trough back here. I'm going to plant this one up today. Now I had both of these plants were in the ground here. I planted those a few years ago just to have a little nice little thing when I came in. It's got little plants there, but I'm redoing this whole area here. Got all of the blackberries and stuff out. This was all blackberries, so I got all the blackberries out, got the chip put down. I'm going to change up this whole area, so I'm going to pull this plant and that plant out today and get them into that trough. So it looks just like this. So let's take out here, and I got a little gauntlet of pretty plants. So that's what I'm doing today, and why don't you watch, and we'll show you how I get it done. With this one here, I don't know what I'm doing, so my mom's gonna help me. Hey, Mom. Mom's gonna help me plant this. She helped me plant this one out, and I need layers of stuff in here. So I can't just fill this with dirt. I gotta put like dead branches and some stuff in here. We're going to put some chip in here, and then dirt, and then I got to dig these plants up and put them in. So that's what we are doing today, and let's get on it. I'll show you how it works out. Okay, all done. I got layers of all kinds of stuff in there. Topsoil and potting soil and compost. Yeah, I like it. Let's get this out of here. And together with this one, that's what I was hoping. It'd be a whole thing. Oh, it's a whole thing. Looks nice. Looks nice. Pretty happy with the way that turned out. So that is it for Show and Tell Tuesday. It's a juniper and a canister. Got the same thing over here. Now they actually look pretty good in the winter. The one stays green and the other one stays all scrangly like that. But then in the summer they pop. They pop. Get leaves and berries and stuff. So I'll get another picture out when they start to bloom. Until and next time, always remember, never forget your vision. Godspeed, Earthlings.